Welcome back to the Creating One podcast. I have a recipe for you. It's the peach cobbler that I featured on my community page. This was created by request. When I was a kid, gardens and fruit trees were in a natural abundance. You are free to use fresh peaches if you want. I have, and it works just fine. I cut a few corners here to save some time. Always remember, though, to cube and freeze your butter, fat, or your margarine for about 6 to 8 hours. And feel free to add your own flavor or admit what doesn't work for you. Please do enjoy.